That rabbit's getting closer and closer. I think he's seen me shoot. Alright, y'all. This is the pistol. It's not loaded. This is the pistol that humiliated me the other day when I was out there shooting. I shot like 11 times and hit the frickin' target like 4 times. And so I changed the sear out in it. I went with a Volquartsen Sear. Now it says it's for a Mark II, but it also fits a Mark III. The only difference is you leave the factory sear spring in your Mark III. And it was a harrowing experience. This thing is so polished, it's like trying to handle mercury, trying to pick it up and put it in this gun. It was pure hell, and so I couldn't film it. But I'm going to I don't know which one I'm going to put this one in. I'm going to have to rest up for a couple weeks before I even attempt it. But this is $28.50 as opposed to 100 and something for the whole trigger group. And I'd read we're just changing the sear makes a vast improvement, and it did. This pistol went from a 5-pound trigger to a 2 1/4 to 2 1/2. It varies a little bit. Pound trigger. It's consistently between 2 and 2 1/2 pounds. And so we're going to go outside and shoot it here in a second. I've got this one torn down. I'm not going to change the sear in it. I'm going to just take the hammer out. That's easy enough. Take the hammer out and polish the face and see what that does for me. There's the sear. That's the sear that you're looking at right down in there. Okay, and the pin is way down here. If you can get your fingers with a Volquartsen Sear down in there and line up the sear spring, the sear, the safety, get everything in its proper place, and do it on camera without a bunch of fancy editing, I'd like to see that. You'll be my hero. But it ain't gonna happen, I don't think. Somebody will come along and prove me wrong. What I want to show you right now before we go shoot this thing, this was a lifesaver. This is a reverse set of tweezers. See that? This is the factory sear that was in there. But that will allow you, and they're cheap, they're made in Pakistan. I don't know where it came from. Walmart or Hobby Lobby or someplace. You'll be able to go in there and get weight. Of course, your the trigger thingy won't be there. It'll be up. But you'll be able to go in there and place this down in to its proper place. But trying to hold that sear, that Volquartsen Sear, you can't do it. It's just too damn slippery. Like trying to handle mercury. But you'll be able to go down in there with a set of these and change that sear out. And look, if I can do it, anybody can do it. Now I can't prove I did it because I don't have it on film, but I did it. And I did it with a pair of these reverse tweezers. Went from 5 pounds to about 2 1/4 average. Let's go see if it makes me a better shot. Alright, y'all, here it is. Let's have a go at it. I've got a high vis sight on it. And let's see what I can do. 30 feet from the target. Wasn't worth the trip out here, yo. I'm hitting the backboard, but the target, I can use that again. But the trigger is nice. I really liked what that Volquartsen Sear did to it. But man, my hopes are dashed. Most of the hits are down below the target. This sucks big time. And I just thought I was gonna tear it up. That's all right. I'll keep trying. You see the one little hit I have there? And the rest of them are way down underneath the target, still on the white, but it is what it is. Damn, I thought I was going to do better. I got to find out what's wrong other than my hands moving. Appreciate y'all watching. Catch you later. Bye.